Welcome. In this video, you will learn some potential causes for pain and injuries, how hyperarch fascia training addresses these problems differently than mainstream training. Pain and injuries are becoming more and more common in both sports and everyday life. This can impact people's lives quite significantly, and oftentimes there seems to be no light at the end of the tunnel. However, hyperarch fascia training offers a unique solution that has already changed lives of many. To understand why hyperarch fascia training gets such incredible results, let's first look at the role of fascia and its role with pain and injuries. Firstly, fascia is a sensory organ and archives the biggest level of sensory input in the body. It plays a large role in proprioception, interoception, nociception, and kinesthesia. Proprioception is body's awareness of where it is in relation to other things. Interoception is how you feel on the inside. Is something more pleasant or less pleasant? Nociception is the body's ability to sense pain. Kinesthesia is about sensing pressure through the joints. Fascia has 6 to 10 times more sensory receptors than muscle. It is often the case that when pain is perceived, it is because fascial fitness has been impacted. Pain can occur for a number of the following reasons. Number 1, lack of movement in the fascia. Stagnancy breeds pestilence. Fascia is like a sponge. If the inflammatory neurotransmitters and metabolic waste are stuck in one area without being recycled, you might experience uncomfortable sensations. Number 2, the inability for the fascia to slide and glide. This could be caused by tightness, dehydration, stress, or the fascia becoming more viscous. This is often the case with lower back pain, where pain is perceived more in subjects who have less degree between fascia layers in the back. Number 3, adhesions can restrict the movement or impinge nerves, which can cause pain, especially pain that can travel across a large area. This is called a trigger point. For example, fascia rolling in the calf but gets pain in the foot. Number 4, weak fascia connection may cause pain because the body has to find alternative compensatory patterns and can overload other bodily areas and put them under greater stress. When a fascial injury occurs, tension is lost out of the body's tensegrity system. This just means there's slack present. Slack in the system is a great opportunity for adhesions to occur, other body parts to be overloaded, joints, muscles, and ligaments to become unstable, and recurring injuries become far more likely. If the root cause of the issue is not addressed, injuries to other body parts are often observed as they get overloaded through compensatory patterns. This is why muscle strengthening or muscle hypertrophy focus does not create the same results if the issue lies in the fascia. Studies showed more than 86% of all diagnosed soft tissue sports injuries are fascial injuries. So even if you believe to have torn a hamstring, quad, or calf, chances are that the damage is to the fascial layer of the area. Therefore, just strengthening the muscle neglects the primary cause and can potentially create a greater muscle to fascia imbalance later. Fascia injuries are a signal that the fascia is the weakest link and cannot sustain the load that it was placed under. Non-contact injuries tell us that possible dysfunction may be present in the system. Tension must be applied back to the tensegrity network from the damaged area to restore strength and relieve pain. But how can we do this if lifting weights in the gym does not help? Hyperarch fascia training addresses the root cause of the problem and target the fascia integration directly. HFT brings strength to damaged fascia and recovers tension back into the tensegrity network. Not only is this done through physical exercises, but also through eliminating adhesions and addressing the neurological component of the fascial system. When the fascia is healthy, pain subsides naturally and function is restored to the body. Working one-on-one with my clients is the key to achieving such great success. Data is collected at the beginning of the 12-week program and progress is tracked weekly to ensure proper progression. Each program is custom made to the client's needs and their current ability and fascial fitness level. To begin Hyperarch fascia training for yourself, give the basic 3 HFT exercise a go. Only do it 2 to 3 times a week. The elevated tall curls, the HFT marble swing, and HFT gait cycles paired with fascial adhesion rolling. See you in the next video.